So, welcome back. I just made the second sushi for my mom because you can see the first one I ate. Right? I'm gonna fold it up. Right here. Okay. Now, going to put this here. There you go. The second sushi ready.
Hooray! Okay.
Here.
Alright. 好，你要拍我吃吗？看到。Alright, my son just made me a sushi as a dinner tonight for his cookie mirror batch. So I'm going to eat it.
How's it?
It's really good.
Thank you.
Very good. Has bacon and egg. And the salty flavored seaweed with rice. Very good. We don't need to make a fancy one like the one in the restaurant, but this is good enough to me.
All right. So, hope you guys enjoyed. I guess I'll see you guys next time.
Bye.